everyone, this is Erin Gates from Lizzie Knits and Three Birds Yarn Studio, and I'm going to show you how to join your stitches in the round when you're working on circular needles. Okay, so I just finished casting on all the stitches I need for this hat I'm starting, and now we want to join it together so we can continue going around knitting in a circle. For this, my pattern calls for 64 stitches, so I actually cast on 65. When you use this technique for joining in the round, you want to add on one extra stitch than the number the pattern calls for, because you're going to be losing one stitch when you connect the two. Okay, so here I have the last stitch that I cast on was on the right. The working yarn is coming out of the right needle. You are going to slip the last stitch that you cast on onto the left needle. Okay, and you can feel free to tighten it up a little bit because it'll come loose, because that's where your working yarn is coming out of. Then you take the stitch next to the one you just slipped on. So this one you want to pass over the stitch you just moved. So that's going to come over and off the needle. This is the stitch we're losing. So now we are back to 64 stitches, which is the required amount. And the last step is you take that original slip stitch back onto the right needle. Now you are ready to begin the next round of your hat or whatever circular project you're making. And feel free to tighten up these stitches again. Here's the tail, you can give that a little tug too. And last step, you want to add your stitch marker and you're ready to continue knitting. All right, thanks for watching.